Hi everybody! Today I have a huge haul from the MGA store, so I can't wait to show you guys what I got because there is a lot of dolls in here. Let's just jump right into this. Also, before we jump right into this video, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe since my 18th birthday is coming up on December 2nd and I really want to get to 100k before I turn 18. Also, I'm going to be posting videos twice a day at 10 for Good Buddy because I have so many dolls to unbox, there's no way I can get caught up any other way. So the first doll we have here is Victory Shall Be Mine. the Family Guy collector and me had to say that. I thought she was so cute. She's one of my favorite OMG dolls of all time right now. I love the kind of futuristic Y2K vibes that she has, and I really like her hairstyle. Also, this is the back of her box. I have one other character from this line, but I am not going to spoil who it is yet. Next off, we have two Rainbow High Tweens. I thought I'd show them together because it just makes more sense to me since they're twins. So we have Laurel Devious, and then we have Laurel Devious, and I still need to unbox like the regular sized Rudy versions of the Devious twins because I do not have like an opened version of them to compare the tweens to. So I don't know which one I'm going to do first. So be sure to vote in the comments below whether you want me to do the regular Devious twins or the tween twins. Next thing isn't really like a fashion doll per se. This is the LOL Surprise Magic Flyers. I saw one of these and I really wanted to just test it out, and I'm getting pretty into remote control stuff lately, so I thought this would be fun. And she's also very cute, which is a bonus. Next up we have Sunny Madison in her runway look, and I have been in love with this umbrella dress since I first saw the freaking webisode when it first came out. And it definitely lives up to expectations seeing it in real life because it really does look exactly like the webisode. And then she also comes with a second outfit that I think is very cute, and it's kind of giving like her original outfit as well. We also have Uncle Baby Bobby Billie. This is one of the tween swap line ones. They're kind of like Bratz head games, but with LOL tweens, and I really wanted to try these out since I never really got to experience Bratz head games. It was a little bit before my time, and it's not one of those ones you want to go looking for a thrift store at, because I never saw any of them, and if you did see them, they were probably destroyed. And I'm not sure which head I'm gonna like better on her because I really like the blonde look. It's very different, but I also very much think that the brown hair suits her. Also, she's got really messed up bangs, so I'm gonna have to fix her hair. And this is our first Shadow High doll of the whole haul. This is Berrie Skies, and she also has a very Y2K like cyberism look, especially with the like CDs or DVDs hanging from her dress, and even the accessories that she comes with. I thought it was very, I don't know, it felt like some sort of sci-fi movie or something. I think she's very like Novi Star-ish. I know they did a doll with a similar color scheme that literally had Novi Stars on her outfit and laptop and everything, but she also very much feels like a Novi Star character. Next up we have, because I went a little crazy with buying dolls, so oh my god, I got so many. We're not even close to done yet. The next one that we have is Jade Hunter. I don't know why I almost said Bella. I was very curious how they were going to execute this as a doll. I thought the designs were really good, so I was hoping that they would make the dolls of these designs, but Jade was the one that made me think that like maybe they won't, because she had like literal lightning on her dress in the series. But the way that they ended up communicating it into a doll makes a lot of sense. And then her second outfit is also very on theme for her with the hoodie and everything. And I really like a lot of the fashion that Jade comes with specifically because it's very versatile, especially the black because it goes with anything. And they feel like really realistic pieces. This is our last Shadow High doll for the haul, unfortunately, because I kind of focused on getting more caught up with Rainbow High and LOL than Shadow High, since there really aren't a lot of them that I don't have right now. And this is like the first Rainbow High or Shadow High boy that we've gotten that's had like longer hair. I mean, the only difference in hairstyle that we've gotten out of the 4 Rainbow High or Shadow High boys is the buzz cut on the last Shadow High boy, which was really, really cool. But now we're getting something just as cool with his braids. And I really like his theme too. I feel like it has a very Dylan vibe. Like even the bell bottoms are very like Bratz Boy, and I'm a big Bratz Boy fan. I have a pretty thorough Bratz Boy collection, and they're in box, which is nice. I also just noticed something really cool. His shoes come with actual shoelaces. I really like that. Also, I forgot to include her, but she is from the same line as Victory. This is Wildflower, and oh my god, she's so cute. Oh, and she's such a unique look for LOL too, because they haven't really had a doll that's looked precisely like her. I mean, they've played around with doing like different aesthetics, especially like kind of softer ones like this, but I don't think there's ever been one that has like her specific vibe. And I think that that's really, really cool. Next is Ruby. This is probably my favorite doll that Ruby's had. And then this is the second outfit that she comes with. Something Nana from Nana would wear. This is perhaps our last doll before we get to like the very big item. The biggest item of this whole haul. And this is Poppy. This is my mom's absolute favorite from this line. She never really paid attention to Poppy's butterfly theme until this. I mean, possibly because they haven't unboxed her yet, so she hasn't had a Poppy to properly look at. But oh my god, look at her. Everything about her is so creative. I think this is possibly her peak. But I love how they're able to include butterflies in all of her designs across the board, but each one of them feels like a new and inspired take, even though they use like the same colors. And I also think it's very smart for them to choose the butterfly theme for the specific shade of orange that she is. It is very good. It looks so good. And this is the last runway doll, I promise. There are only 2 runway dolls that I'm missing, or 3 runway dolls that I'm missing now. So those 3 are Skylar, Violet, and Amaya. I'm probably gonna get Skylar next, and then Amaya, and then Violet last. Violet's usually my favorite in each line, but I feel like her outfit was a little less grand this time. And lastly, but certainly not least, oh my god, I can't get it out of the box because it's like the same size as the box. Oh my god, this LOL playset. This did not look as cool as it actually is in real life online. So I wasn't sure how much I was gonna like this, but LOL playsets like this never disappoint. There's so many details. Oh my god. And the doll is really cute herself too. I would have just gotten her alone. So the fact that she comes with all this stuff and the pets is such a bonus to me, especially with the type of content that I create. So I'm so happy about getting her. Also, sorry for the glare. I've tried to keep it out of this video, but she's such a big box that it's very hard not to get glare. But I hope you liked this video, and let me know which doll was your favorite, which doll you want me to unbox first, and I will be unboxing these soon because I need them out of the way. I have so many dolls to unbox in my room, and this is just making the tent much, much bigger. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget, 10 for Good Buddy. Videos every day at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bye, everybody.